This song is about the river people's wisdom and how we ought to see not just the world that our eyes can see. I hope you like it.
Land of the Akimel O'odham, where the river runs deep. The elders gather 'neath the stars, their wisdom to keep. They speak of a place within the heart where all begins, a boundless potential where happiness wins. Seek not just the world that your eyes can see, but the consciousness within that sets your spirit free. In the silence of your being lies a treasure to behold, the transcendental consciousness more precious than gold. Rest in this awareness, let your thoughts align with the natural law that makes the sun shine. Your actions effortless, creativity will soar, the world a canvas for you to explore. The river people lived in harmony and grace, hearts connected to the universe embrace. The secret to a life well lived, the sages to impart, is to find the peace within that lies in every heart. Seek not just the world that your eyes can see, but the consciousness within that sets your spirit free. In the silence of your being lies a treasure to behold, the transcendental consciousness more precious than gold. So remember, my child, the wisdom of old. Let your awareness expand, let your spirit